Yes, this is our first time here at Miatas at the Gap. We're not alone at being a first. We met a ton of people who it was their first time as well, but we came all the way from upstate New York. It was 14 hours. I'm rounding up on that one. And this guy here is not alive because he drove all the way here on his KA swap, and I trailered with my climate control. But yes, this was everything that we thought it would be and more. These roads are spectacular. Our cars have held up. We're going home, possibly even tonight. So it's been an incredible experience for us.
What you say for first time people? What would you say to get people to come here?
So for anyone who is thinking about coming, who hasn't, these are your people, whether you know it or not. Everyone here is into Miatas and is approachable. We've met so many new people, and I'm just looking forward to keeping in contact with them, and we're coming back.
Yeah, and no amount of footage of driving roads is going to put into perspective exactly how good it is. You just gotta come do it yourself.
Like, look at a video, think about it in your head, and then multiply that by 2. It's so good here. It's well worth the drive for that alone, much less all the awesome people you'll meet.